Okay, so hello, my name's Triton. Well, I'm the main character of the video. Well, this is on my channel. So here is Martin. Say hello.
Hello.
Here's Ava. Ava, come here. Say hello.
Right here. Hello.
She's not really talkish. And what we're gonna be shooting is 1 second. Here. Go in the pose.
They're called rocket launchers.
Okay, ready? 3, 2, 1, let it go. Rocket launchers.
Yeah.
Where'd it go? Where'd it go? Oh, they spin and they land on the
They're
ground.
like helicopters when they like go down like this. Sorry, yeah, grab it.
Well, they're all messing around doing this. Okay, so you know how
I know what to do.
it's so cool when you launch them up in the dark.
No, tell them not to do that.
No, that's my crossbow.
Yeah.
No.
She has to do it.
No. Okay.
You just got in trouble.
Hey, come here, Martin.
Always getting in
Hold the
trouble.
camera while I shoot one. Okay, ready?
It's like these.
So you gotta go like this. You gotta be like Superman.
And you can turn the light on too.
Superman pose and fire. I think I can catch it. Oh god. Oh! Almost. That was such a fail, but. I'm good. No, I'm not gonna get that many views. Did you crack that? Oh no, it's all right. Wait, you did. No, I didn't. Yeah, you did. You broke it right here. So. Oh well, I've been shooting these, so.
The rubber band smells good.
Oh, okay. So, Martin. Shoot it on the roof and make me go get it. Okay, so Martin's gonna do a little trick. Okay, let me watch it. Ready?
Oh, I can shoot it on.
Where'd it go? Oh.
I don't want
Oh, it hit the floor.
I can throw mine on there. And why is there a balloon stuck in your tree?
That's not my tree. That's the neighbor's tree. Oh, here we go. Oh. Wait, did it land on my roof?
Yeah, in the gutter. In the gutter.
Well, I guess I gotta climb on the roof to go
Martin,
get it.
hold the thing digger.
Okay.
Bring it up there with you, Triton. We'll hand it to you.
Oh my
We'll hand
god.
it to you.
No.
Yeah? Okay.
Well, I guess he's up there.
Where is it?
Oh, it's more over here. Bend down first. Oh, where'd it go?
I got it. Ah!
Oh man, I thought we lost you. Oh!
Stay up there.
Ooh. Oh my god.
Okay, I'm so scared. Okay, put your foot on the thingamajigger.
Oh snap. Look, it's the Lord.
Looks like he's a dead person.
It looks like he's the Lord.
Go to the car and get those spinners. Dodo! Do you know those spinners they use in your car? That connects? You bring them over?
There's not spinners. They're what's it called?
Fidget spinners.
Yeah, fidget. Should buy some on Amazon. Yeah, you can buy them on Amazon and such. I'm gonna do a fidget spin. Oh god. I'm gonna do a fidget spinner video. That's when I get them and they ship in. I did my last video last night, or no, was it this morning? No, it was last night. I did a video on how to make them. So yeah, Martin's about to shoot his, and oh, it's gone. It's gone. I think I can catch it. Ready? You ready? I got it. Oh, I caught it, Sheriff. Woo! Well, I got that. So, okay. I got it. Oh, I was so close. Well, I guess this is going to be the end of the video, so everybody gather around.
Where's your safety? Oh, and there it goes on the roof. Wait, guys.
Everybody still continue T-Dog Science. Peace.
Peace.